Right after I'm done shooting this video, I'm going to take my car and go pick up some inventory. What is mind blowing about all this is that I'm literally going to pick up a lead that I've been sharing with people that are in my coaching since last year. Like literally since last year, I'm telling you, I'm literally going to pick up a lead today that is still profitable, that has been profitable since last year, and that is selling super fast. And as I said, what's actually blowing my mind is that, as I said, it's a lead that I've shared with so many people, and nobody is actually putting in the work and jumping on this lead. So the reason why I'm telling you all this is to answer one common objection that people that do not necessarily know about the business have. And this objection is, if it's really working, if it's really worth it, why doesn't everybody do it? And the reason why not everybody is actually doing it is because most people are just lazy ass. And I'm going to be 100% honest with you, like 100% honest with you. I've shared this lead with so many people on so many groups, like the whole strategy. And you can run a profitable online arbitrage business, like a full-time business, just by monitoring 5 to 10 brands. Like literally, you just monitor 5 to 10 brands, 5 to 10 websites, you can run a profitable online arbitrage business, like, and you can become a full-time seller. And I'm telling you, it blows my mind. Oh, like you can actually give people the whole game plan and tell them, look, that's easy. That's all you have to do. Just do this and then we'll move to the next step. But like, just do this. Just with this, you can scale to an interesting point. And then after that, let's keep building on that, right? And it blows my mind because like literally, I don't understand how it's possible that I'm literally sharing all these tips with so many people, like, and going in so much details about what to look for and literally what to buy, and these people are literally not buying the products. It's literally as easy as that. You do not need to do like some crazy sourcing methods, like just start one step at a time. Just buy the shit that is profitable. Like, if I give you this shit, if I give you this lead, why aren't you monitoring this lead? Like, like I'm telling you, it blows my mind because some stuff sells so fast. And most people are just not willing to put in the work to monitor those leads. You know, check them. Like, people forget. And this is literally the main reason why. The main reason why people give up and people are not successful with this business. Just because you don't have the discipline. It's as easy as that. You don't have the discipline to actually put in this, like, do the exact same thing over and over again for years. Okay, like literally, you're gonna need to do this for years. It's not a business that is difficult. It's just about consistency. You just need to do the same thing over and over again. Some days it's going to be great. Some days it's going to suck. Some days you're going to have great results. Some days, of course, your results are going to go down. You just need to keep going. That's literally it. There's no secret to this business. Like, there's literally no secret. The biggest secret is that you just need to keep showing up every single day. You just need to keep doing the work every single day. And most of you already know the work that you need to be doing every single day. Most of you guys already know it, okay? It's not rocket science. And if you get in my coaching, because yes, by the way, right there, you can actually apply, okay? We're opening more seats for the Scaling Society. If you get in, it's just to accelerate your growth, right? And to make sure that we take your focus, okay? That we align it. We put your focus on the right path. That's it, okay? That's it. And after that, you just need to do the work every single day and do the same boring thing every single day. And it literally blew my mind when, I tell a lot of people, right, that are in my coaching, that because I've coached so many people, right? I've coached so many people. So I've been doing coaching for 1 year, probably 1 year, right? And like, it blows my mind because, like, the first thing that I ask people to do is this. Most of the time, what we actually work on is actually making sure that, your storefront stalking, the way you actually storefront stalking makes sense, and that we actually are able to make your storefront stalking more efficient, right? It's either this, or we work either on this or on the target list. If you don't know what the target list is, go to oalist.com, right? So it blows my mind because it's easy. The first step, like when I actually start, you can start either way. We can either start with the target list or with storefront stalking. It blows my mind because when I tell people, okay, look, listen, if you want to make it, it's easy. Like, it's literally easy. We're going to work on your storefront stalking, okay? And I'm going to work with you on your storefront stalking, on becoming more efficient and on becoming better at your storefront stalking. It's easy. The only thing that you need to do is find 5 leads a day. This is something that I've talked right on YouTube, but we go way deeper in my coaching, right? And I say, you just need to find 5 leads a day, okay? Find 5 leads a day doing storefront stalking, and we're going to work on these leads, okay? And we're going to expand from these leads. But I'm going to tell you, like, I'm not going to lie, okay? Probably 60% of the people that get on my coaching program are not actually putting in the work doing this fucking step, like this step right there, the first step, okay? And I don't understand how, you know, you come, and because we get everybody on a call before, right? And everybody's like, oh yeah, I'm super motivated, all that shit. And then, like, nobody's showing up, like, not nobody. Like, because like, there's a ton of people. And like, I'm just going to talk about the people that I've worked with for a little while. And let me just actually show. So this is the page, this is the homepage on the Scaling Society. There's a quick survey that you need to fill, to actually get in, right? To see if you actually qualify. If you look at these 2 guys, and we have more testimonials coming, more testimonial video, because I'm going to meet with a lot of guys in March when I get back to the US. You're going to get way more videos with students, with past students, right? Face to face. But here are 2 guys, okay, that I'm super proud of. And I'm going to tell you why. Like Diego and Yasmani. Because there's people, like, you literally tell them, hey, look, listen, that's simple. Do this, and they're going to go all in with this shit. Like, I'm not going to tell, like, I cannot tell you, like, how many people, like, I had that, you know, I told them, hey, look, just do this, do X, and you'll make money. And they start doing Z. Like, it's actually crazy. It's actually crazy to me, you know? The great thing with Yasmani, and I'll make a quick video with him when you have the chance, because, and Yasmani is right there, all right? I'll make a quick video with him when we have a chance, because he's in Miami. And so the great thing with him is I saw directly, and like, when I make the video, I'll probably going to take bits of the first call that we had before we joined. And this is back when to get on my coaching program, it was $100 a day. Like, I could see in his eye that the guy was ready. He told me, hey, look, I'm going to quit my job. And I'm going to put in the work. I want to put in the work. Like, when somebody is motivated, you can see it in his eyes, right? You can literally see it in his eyes. And I told him, and you'll see on the call, I told him, I said, look, I don't even care about the money. I don't even care if you're the only one in the group, because like, it was at one point where I did not have a new group. He contacted me, he got on a call with me. I said, I don't care if I don't have a group. I'll figure out how to fill out the group, to fill the group with people. Even if it's not worth it for me, jump on the calls, let's work together. I'm going to help you scale your business. 20K on Cyber Monday, 130K in December, 500K plus in 2024, and now I'm not even going to tell you his goals, because he's pushing like crazy goals, and we are going to make him get a crazy 2025, okay? That's the goal, and you'll see even a crazier testimonials, okay? But he made 20K in 1 day of sales by doing, like, because literally, I gave him one strategy, one thing to look for, doing online arbitrage. Like, this dude, like, worked on this strategy at such a level, just on one thing. He perfected the whole thing. I just gave him like one day. I told him, hey, look, listen, you can source this at this place. It goes back on sale usually at this time. Here's all the perks. Here's how you make them profitable. The guy has been working nonstop on this product, on this specific niche that he carved himself, okay? He went way deeper than me. His understanding of this specific product is getting way better than mine, because the guy is so motivated, and it's what it's all about, okay? I want you to understand one thing. If you get on the coaching, like, you get the exact same information, okay, as this guy had, Jordan had, like, at all these guys, and like, there's more videos that we haven't even added just yet, or like more testimonials, but you can actually see them on my other page, not the Scaling Society, but like on FBA, if you go to fbascaling.com. And of course, I don't know if we still use this website. We probably should, but let me go here. Let's figure it out. Here we go. If you go here, you'll see even more testimonials. You can see more if you go on Discord. Here are some students that we met with in Vegas. Like, everybody got the same information. The only difference is that there's guys like, and by the way, same thing with Widya, okay? Same thing with Widya Radar, same thing with Ernie. Like, this group that I have is like, they are crazy motivated. And like, there's literally people, okay, that get the information and do nothing about it, that do nothing with it, okay? And by the way, this is why right now, as you saw, we have a questionnaire and we are way more strict with the people that we get in, okay? And because, I'm not going to lie, it doesn't matter how old you are, but like, you know, the younger crowd are a little bit harder to work with the coaching. I'm not going to lie, okay? It's way harder to work with, like, because like, the younger crowd want to scale fast by doing nothing. This isn't like, if this is what you want to do, I'm telling you, there's no point in you actually joining the coaching program. It's not going to work for you. But if you are willing to put in a lot of work, and if you are willing to take action on the stuff that I actually give you, on the stuff that I actually tell you to do, okay? It's simple. I tell you to do, hey, do 2 hours of stuff on stalking a day. You need to find 5 leads a day. You need to do it. If you don't do it, I'm sorry for you. There's nothing that I can do. If I tell you, hey, look, there's these products. It's easy. You can run a whole, like, you can become a full-time seller just by sourcing this. Just monitor it. Like, if you don't do it, there's literally nothing that I can do for you. Like, I'm telling you, there's nothing that I can do for you. Because I've been spoon-feeding people with the stuff, with the products, even the products that they need to buy in my coaching. And this is why I'm starting to try to not do that a little bit and like go, because like some people just take advantage of that and don't actually focus on the strategies on how to actually find these products, okay? And want to be fed just with products and all that stuff. It's not the point. It's not the point. The point is for you to be able to run your business yourself. And to do this, you need to actually do the stuff that I tell you to do, right? It's not about just waiting for products. It's about actually putting in the work, okay? Because, look, it works for a lot of people, okay? What I'm actually teaching works for a lot of people. You can watch these videos. You can see, you will see the videos, the upcoming videos that we will shoot in March. You can literally like see these people that started, like those people that started on the Discord server, right? When I was doing this shit for free, when I was teaching people for free, everybody got the same information. If you're not willing to put in work, and I'm going to be 100% honest, okay? Because we have a guarantee, right? If you don't make your investment back, you get your money back. If you put in the work, of course. And like, you know, like, I'm not going to lie, it's impossible for you to fail. It's impossible for you to fail because like there are so many testimonials of people like we did it. I did it for so many people. And I'm telling you at this point, if you fail, because if I literally tell you, hey, you just need to buy more of this, just buy this, okay? Just buy this product and you'll be able to scale your business. Buy that many of this product, buy that many of this product. If I literally tell you all that, and you're not able to make your investment back, I mean, it's on you. It's because you're not buying the products or you're not putting in the work looking for products, doing what I told you, right? So this is why we have this crazy guarantee, because I know that this works and I know that if you do the things, if you do the step that I'm telling you, it's going to work, right? So I'm going to eat breakfast, okay? And then I'm going to go pick up this product that I've shared with so many people and that nobody is actually tracking. All right, because it's been selling for years at the same price and never gets saturated. And I've shared this lead with so many people. If you haven't taken advantage of that, I'm sorry, there's nothing that I can do for you. So yeah, hopefully you learned one thing or two. I'm going to get my breakfast and then I'm out to pick up inventory. I'll see you soon.